Hi guys, so today, itatry ko kung gumagana na ang tattoo QR code ko. So, I already uploaded or installed my, what do you call this? QR code scanner sa iPhone. So, we'll see. Good luck. Okay. So, here's the scanner. Let's see. Yun. So, nabasa siya. I wish na makita nyo. Ay, good malabo. Ayun, that's my birthday. Sarap! Alright, so ngayon, at least masaya na ako na hindi na sayang first tattoo ko na it's working. So, it's showing my birthday. Saan yung camera? Ayan! Sorry guys. Hindi na ako bata. So, I'm planning to have my second tattoo here. It will be my name. So, actually, madaming tao na nagkakaroon ng QR code tattoo. And they have yung mga videos sa YouTube, ganyan. Or yung mga link ng mga channel nila sa mga vlogs nila or kung ano mang links, important links nila sa internet. But then I decided kasi not to have my birthday kasi this information is hindi magbabago. Unlike with, kunyari, YouTube channel, maaring ma-delete ko yung channel ko or maybe I have a plan of changing it soon. Or kung video naman, baka mawala or something ganyan. So, hindi, yung ganitong desisyon na birthday ko ilalagay ko is para hindi magbago yung information. So, for now, my birthday and then soon, for sure yung name ko. So yun, kakatuwa. Bye guys. Bye!